What's up guys, today we're going to take a look at some of the best Android camera smartphone. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1's Google Pixel 8. In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, the Google Pixel 8 stands out as a powerhouse of innovation. Designed by Google, this unlocked Android smartphone comes equipped with a range of cutting-edge features that make it a top choice for tech enthusiasts and mobile users. At the heart of the Google Pixel 8 is the Google Tensor G3 chip, custom designed to harness the power of Google's AI technology. This chip not only powers the device, but also drives its advanced photo and video features, making it a standout choice for photography and videography enthusiasts. The AI capabilities also enable the phone to provide smarter solutions to everyday tasks, making it a helpful companion in your daily life. Unlocked Android 5G capabilities. One of the remarkable features of the Google Pixel 8 is its flexibility. It's an unlocked Android 5G smartphone, which means you have the freedom to change carriers and select a data plan that suits your needs. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a powerhouse of a smartphone, offering a range of cutting-edge features and technologies to provide an exceptional mobile experience. In this article, we'll delve into the key specifications and features of this global model device to help you make an informed decision. Global compatibility. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a globally unlocked device, meaning it can be used with your preferred carrier around the world. However, it's important to note that the device does not come with a SIM card. Before making your purchase, ensure that the device is compatible with your chosen service provider. Network capabilities. This smartphone supports a wide range of network bands, including 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G. The 5G capability is particularly exciting, but it's essential to understand that 5G services may not be available in all regions. It relies on local telecom operator services, so check with your service provider to confirm the availability of 5G in your area. With dual SIM card slots, you can choose to use either to 5G SIM cards, one 5G and one 4G SIM card, or any combination of 5G, 4G, 3G, or 2G SIM cards in the two slots. Impressive storage and performance. The Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a spacious 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring you have ample space for your apps, photos, videos, and more. With 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this smartphone is designed to handle multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Number 3. Google Pixel 7a. In a world driven by connectivity, your choice of smartphone matters. The Google Pixel 7a, with its impressive features and unwavering commitment to excellence, sets the standard for what a smartphone can be. The Google Pixel 7a is designed for those who demand speed, efficiency, and top-notch security. With 8 GB of RAM, this smartphone ensures swift and responsive performance. Its advanced camera capabilities are complemented by a security rating that stands among the highest in the industry, making it an ideal choice for privacy-conscious users. Plus, with dual SIM card slots, you can enjoy flexibility in managing your connections, all-day battery life, and fast charging. Battery life is a crucial factor in any smartphone, and the Pixel 7a excels in this regard. Its fast-charging all-day battery can keep you powered for over 24 hours of usage. When you activate the Extreme Battery Saver feature, you can extend this to a remarkable 72 hours. Additionally, the Pixel 7a supports wireless charging, offering convenience and versatility in how you recharge your device. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy A54. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is a versatile smartphone that brings together an impressive set of features, including 5G connectivity, a high-quality camera system, and a vibrant display. In this article, we will take an in-depth look at this device, helping you understand what makes it a compelling choice for mobile enthusiasts. Exclusive to the USA market, it's essential to note that the Samsung Galaxy A54 is tailored for the USA market and is compatible with T-Mobile, Mint, and Metro PCS carriers. If you're a subscriber to any of these networks, you can experience the benefits of 5G and 4G LTE connectivity. Impressive performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A54 is powered by an octa-core processor, which includes two Cortex-A78 cores running at 2.4 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores running at 2.0 GHz. The Mali G68MC for GPU ensures smooth graphics performance, making it suitable for gaming and multimedia tasks. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a groundbreaking addition to the world of smartphones, offering an expansive foldable screen, enhanced gaming experiences, productivity tools, and the convenience of hands-free use. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 boasts a massive 7.6 screen, providing an unparalleled cinematic experience. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or playing games, this big screen lets you lose yourself in the action, all while on the go. The foldable design allows you to carry a large screen in your pocket, making it perfect for multimedia enthusiasts. Elevated gaming experience. Gamers will appreciate the versatility of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You can enjoy mobile games on the cover screen for quick gaming sessions or unfold the interior screen for a truly immersive experience. With its impressive processor and high refresh rate, you can power through games with minimal input delays, ensuring a top-tier gaming experience. Dual-app viewing for enhanced productivity. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 introduces dual-app viewing, allowing you to harness the power of its expansive screen for multitasking. Whether you need to drag and drop photos into a text message, compare products onto websites side by side, or watch videos while keeping an eye on your social feed, this feature enables you to do more with more screen space. S Pen capability for precision and productivity. Precision meets portability with S Pen capability on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You can write directly on the large screen, making it easy to transition from to-do lists to completed tasks. The S Pen enhances your productivity by providing a natural and precise writing experience. 2 screen sizes for versatility. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers the best of both worlds. It features a 6-point to cover display for one-handed scrolling and quick tasks. When you need a larger screen, unfold the massive 7.6 interior display for a truly immersive experience. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.